Okay, good day. So for today, we will talk about chart of accounts. So what is a chart of account? So our learning competency is to prepare a chart of accounts. So there we must prepare a chart of accounts. So we are given the ledger of A Enterprises. So these are the following accounts of A Enterprises. Accounts payable, petty cash fund, cash, equipment, income tax payable, supplies, interest expense, A capital, salaries expense, accounts receivable, sales income, accumulated depreciation for equipment, withholding tax payable, and then the prepaid rent. So we are required to prepare a chart of accounts for A Enterprises using the given account code. So we are given an account codes. So we will determine the following. So we will determine the accounts under assets accounts, accounts under the liability accounts, accounts under the equity accounts, accounts under the revenue accounts, and accounts under the expense accounts. So these five, we will identify kung assets ba siya, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expense accounts. Okay? So, the procedure. Take a glance at a given account. So, titingnan daw natin yung mga accounts. Mag-eyes to eyes tayo sa given accounts. Then, evaluate which among them belongs to the following accounts: assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. So arrange them classified, properly classified account. After cash account, what comes next? Okay, so here. So accounts payable. Is this an assets, liabilities, cash, or revenue, or expenses? Ano ba siya? Ano ba yung accounts receivable? Sa tingin ninyo, ano kaya yan? Yan ba isang utang? Utang ba yan? Yan ba isang assets? Yan ba income? Yan ba ay expenses? How about petty cash fund? Ano ba yung petty cash fund? Assets? Liabilities? Equity? Income or expenses? Natural, ang cash ay assets. How about equipment? Assets ba ang equipment? Okay, assets ang equipment. Balikan natin ang accounts payable. Ano ba siya? Accounts payable. So, ang accounts payable ay utang. Babayarin yan. So, that is liabilities. So, how about petty cash fund? Petty cash, yung mahuhugot natin kung kailan natin kinakailangan yung cash. So, that is assets. Cash is assets. Equipment is assets. How about income tax payable? Payable. So, nasa word na payable, yan ay utang natin na dapat nating bayaran sa gobyerno. Supplies. Ano yung supplies? Yung mga nandyan sa atin, yung mga supplies. So, that is assets. Interest expense. So, ano yung interest expense natin? So, ang interest expense natin ay nasa salitang expense kung saan expense. How about capital? So, capital, A capital is equity. Next is salaries expense. So, Andyan pa rin yung salitang expense, so sa expense siya. Accounts receivable. So, yung mga collectibles, receivable natin. Yung mga utang na hindi pa nababayaran. Kumbaga tayo yung inutangan. So, yan ay assets. Sales income. Ano ba yung sales income na yan? Nandyan sa word na income. So, that is income. And then how about accumulated depreciation equipment? Accumulated depreciation equipment. So, belong yan sa assets. Okay. Withholding tax payable. Withholding tax. Liabilities yan natin. Babayarin yan natin. So, that is pay. That is liabilities. How about prepaid rent? Prepaid rent. Renta. Pero, siya ay prepaid. Siya ay assets. Kumbaga nabayaran na natin yan. Hindi na natin yan obligasyon. Nauna na tayong nagbayad. So, hindi natin yan prepaid. Una na nating nabayaran. Okay? So, ito yung chart natin. So, ano yung dito? Ano yung una nating ilalagay sa 101? Ito yung account code. Account title, yung cash. Ito yung mga account title, accounts payable, petty cash fund, cash, and so on and so forth. So, ito naman yung kanyang account code. Assets, 101, 110, 120, 130, 151, 155, 156. So, ginagamit ito upang pag mag-journal na tayo, mag-entry na tayo sa journal at saka sa ledger, madali na lang itong mahahanap. Okay, hindi na yung sa account title pa. Mas mabilis pag yung account code. So, ano yung ilalagay natin dito sa 101? Okay? So, tingnan natin yung ready-made na account form. Account chart. So, ito na yon. 101, cash. So, account code, then account title. So, account code is 101, kumbaga sa cash, 110, petty cash, 120, accounts receivable, and so on and so forth for assets. Then for liabilities, 201, accounts payable, 240, income tax payable, withholding tax payable, and then equity, income, then expenses. So, ito yung sample ng chart of accounts. Okay. Okay, that's all.